Ready to turn static maps into captivating motion graphics? First, make sure you have GeoLayers 3 installed in After Effects. You can find it on the Scripts website after installation. Open After Effects and create a new composition, setting your desired resolution and duration. Next, access GeoLayers 3 by going to the window menu and selecting GeoLayers 3. This will open the GeoLayers panel. In the GeoLayers panel, use the search bar to find your desired location type in a city, country, or any geographic feature you need. Once you've found your location, click the Create Map button. This will generate a precomp containing your map data. Double-click the precomp to open it. Inside the precomp, you'll see various layers representing different map elements. These are all vector layers, so you can scale them without losing quality. Select the layers you want to animate or customize. You can change their colors, stroke widths, and visibility to match your project style. To animate the map, add keyframes to the properties of your layers, such as position, scale, or rotation. This will bring your map to life. Enhance your animation by adding text layers with location names or other relevant information. Integrate graphic elements like icons or callouts to highlight specific areas or points of interest on the map. Finally, add finishing touches like motion blur and color correction to polish your animation and make it visually appealing. And that's how you use GeoLayers 3 to create dynamic map animations in After Effects.